So you guys know that I have dehydrated skin. It's very dry underneath and oily on top. But I also have very sensitive skin. You know, I feel like any one misstep with a skincare product can really send my skin into a super irritated state. Recently, I really compromised my moisture barrier with a little bit too much chemical exfoliation. So I decided to bring an old favorite back into my routine and really put it to the test. So give this video a big thumbs up and let's find out, is Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream really great for sensitive skin? So first things first, let's talk about the packaging. Now, you know I will not base my review at all on the packaging, but I feel like we should at least admire its beauty because it's a really nice one. This comes in a heavy frosted glass jar. I love the logo on the top. It's a very like traditional Korean, like K-dramas, right? And it comes with a little paper topper on the lid with some twine around it, and the logo is printed on a little tag. It just has a really fantastic presentation. So Beauty of Joseon is all about using traditional Korean ingredients that were used by women during the Joseon period. Now, these are women who were in the high court. These are royal women, and these beauty secrets were found in a beauty Bible that's called the Kyohab Chungso. And so all of their ingredients and all of their formulas are really rooted in traditional Korean ingredients. Now, this does include honey, ginseng, as well as orchid, which are traditional Korean ingredients. Now, this formula also includes niacinamide, which is a great brightener for your skin. It really helps to lighten dark marks. But what I find really exciting about niacinamide, especially for sensitive skin, is that it can really help stimulate the production of ceramides in your skin. Now, ceramides are vital for a healthy moisture barrier function, and you definitely want your moisture barrier to be healthy and strong because it's really the root of all of our skincare goals. If you are dealing with sensitive skin, dry skin, irritated skin, oily skin, if you deal with acne, if you want to address wrinkles, you want to make sure that your moisture barrier is strong. Now, this also contains hyaluronic acid, which we know is an excellent hydrator. It also contains andesite, which is great for that brightening effect, and it also has vitamin E, which is going to help fade those dark marks faster. In addition to the niacinamide that can stimulate ceramide production on the skin, this formula also includes ceramide 3. Now, another ingredient that's very exciting to me in this formula is EGF, or human oligopeptide 1. Thank goodness it is shortened to EGF. Now, EGF is really interesting because it can really help you repair your moisture barrier. It also helps with wrinkles, and it also helps with fading dark marks. So this cream is chock full of some really exciting and high quality ingredients. Now, the main claims on this cream are going to be to help brighten your skin tone and give you an even skin tone. This also is going to help you fade the dark marks, and it's chock full of brightening ingredients like andesite, vitamin E, and niacinamide. Now, this also interestingly does claim to help strengthen your moisture barrier, and you can tell that it's going to do that with the EGF, the niacinamide, and the ceramides. This also contains cholesterol and fatty acids that are really going to help replenish your lipid layer. So enough geeking out about ingredients, let's talk about the texture of this cream. It is weird, you guys. It is so weird, weird AF, even weirder than the Hada Labo cream. It's very thick and stringy, and it's almost like a thick glue-like texture. It's very strange, but the strangest thing of all is that it absorbs into your skin immediately, and it feels incredibly lightweight for being this like thick and gluey texture. It sinks into your skin in a snap. It's so strange. Your skin feels incredibly soft and smooth after you've put this on, and my skin feels so plump when I use this. It's totally choke, you guys. Like, my skin feels so plump with moisture when I use this. Because it dries down so quickly and so beautifully, this plays amazingly well with your makeup, with your sunscreen layer. So this is the perfect cream for the morning or the night. Now, this does have a little bit of a scent. I would describe it as a light floral and herbally scent. Now, this does have traditional Korean ingredients in it, but do not worry, this doesn't smell like ginseng or Hanbang at all. It doesn't smell traditional. It's just very light, feminine, floral scent. It's not heavy at all. Okay, so the results. As I mentioned before, my moisture barrier was really compromised. I had done a little bit too much exfoliation with chemical exfoliants, and my skin was feeling really dry, tight, irritated. It was almost like a burning sensation on my skin most of the time. So on the first night of using this and putting this cream to the test, I was impressed because it did soothe my skin immediately. That part's not the most impressive part because I feel like any cream can really soothe your skin immediately. But what really impressed me on the first night is this kept my skin protected and soothed for hours. So I was really impressed with it. And I would say about day 2 of having used this morning and night, my skin just felt protected and soothed through the entire day. I wasn't having that burning sensation anymore. And no cream was really able to address that issue prior to me using this in my routine. So I really felt like this addressed the irritation really quickly and helped heal that immediately and protected my skin and soothed it. Now that I've been using this even more, I really feel like the ingredients in this are really helping to repair my moisture barrier. So it's not even just about soothing the skin, but it's about repairing the damage that was done and hopefully leaving my moisture barrier stronger in the long run. This is something that I'll have to use for a long time to really see results in the strengthening of my moisture barrier, but the fact that my irritation was soothed and my moisture barrier is being repaired is great news to me. So I would recommend this cream to pretty much everybody because honestly the ingredients are so good. The texture is great for most skin types and I really feel like the results are excellent and everybody needs moisture barrier strengthening. I would specifically recommend this for dry skin types because there is a lot of lipids and fatty acids in here that's going to keep that lipid layer replenished. I also would recommend this for dehydrated skin types because this is an excellent humectant cream that's going to continue to pull moisture into your skin through the entire day and is also not going to be too heavy or rich or seal your skin off. It's going to allow your dehydrated skin to breathe. But of course, I'm definitely recommending this to anybody suffering from sensitized or irritated skin. Now the price on this I think is pretty reasonable. It's between $17 and $22 depending on where you get it, which I think is a pretty good price considering all of the amazing high quality ingredients in this cream and the fact that this is going to last you about 3 to 4 months. You know, you really don't have to use a lot to see the results. And just a word of warning for those of you who do want to pick this cream up. When you open up the jar the first time, it may seem like some of the cream is missing. This bottle is only filled about 75% of the way. That is totally normal. That's how it comes packaged and the correct amount of cream is in your jar. It does seem a little bit empty, but it is only filled about 75% of the way in the packaging. So to answer the original question, yes, I think this is perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. This is really going to help soothe the irritation, but it's also going to help repair the damage that was done to your moisture barrier. So let me know in the comment box below, what is your favorite moisturizer and let me know what is your skin type. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I release 2 new skincare videos every single week, and if you ring the bell, you'll never miss the next time I upload a new one. And if you can't wait for the next upload, come join me on Instagram where I post about my skincare adventures daily. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.